Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. My name is Jan and this is Hideout Cooking, the YouTube channel where you can find lots of easy and fun recipes. Today we're going to be making roasted sweet potato fries. These homemade fries are really easy to make and taste just as good as any store-bought does. Why don't you try them out yourself next time you want fries? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, it's completely free. Also, click the little bell icon so you won't miss out any of our future videos.